Welcome back. 35 civil rights groups in Goa have joined hands to form a new front. Goincha Rakhondarancho Awaz, the new organization, has planned a public rally on 15th of March to highlight various issues plaguing Goa.
The new umbrella organization, Goicha Rakhondarancho Awaz, will raise the issues being taken up by the various civil rights groups across Goa.
Two very prominent demands which we are going to make there. One is that Lok Ayukta bill. One doesn't know why the Lok Ayukta bill is not being enacted in Goa. तू खंयच्याय स्पियरान वच करप्शनाचेर कंप्लेंट्स येत आसा, विजिलन्सान येत आसा, कोर्टांनी येत आसा, पूण लोक आयुक्त बिल कशेंच हे इंट्रोड्यूस करिना. दुसरी गोष्ट आसा स्पेशल स्टेटस. When we are talking of special status, we are talking of special status in terms of land of Goa including.
Various speakers gave a clarion call to the people, urging them to turn out in large number for the rally on 15 March at Azad Maidan.
Keeping the whole picture of the world as a holistic picture, what Goa is going through, it's real, not just corruption, is beyond corruption, it's a point of suicide. Goans have to get up and stop electing all these 40 people and protect their land, because if they want their land, then we have to throw all these people out and get new faces, integrated people. And the people here are the voice of Goa, and everyone here is the face of ordinary Goans.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
Panji Corporation's Ward number 7 around Santines fire station is totally neglected for the last 5 years. Garbage menace, no street lights and traffic congestion due to huge commercial establishments and a restaurant has added to the woes of the residents. Watch Prudence special report in its series Battle for the Capital.
Ward number 7 is a part of Talegaon constituency. This ward consists of sewage treatment plant, PWD quarters, Tong, part of Kamad estate, a government colony, Lydia garden and vintage hospital area. Around 1057 voters will vote to elect their representative from this ward. The ward has 519 males and 538 female voters. The major problem of this ward is cleanliness and bad roads.
Now nothing has been done in that last whole thing in our road. Not any. They dug the road here to lay some pipeline. Now after digging the road to lay a pipeline, it has to be normalized with the tar finishing. It has not been done. There is since this comes under municipality area and they are collecting money from us for garbage, there was no sweeper here.
सगळे आख्खे रोड कितली वर्सां जाली रोड जावंक ना, उदक भरता, सामके अश्यो हळशीक कशी, लायटी ना, उदक ना.
This ward will witness straight fight between BJP-backed panel Panji First candidate Shweta Lotlikar and Babush-backed panel for Progressive Panji's candidate Regina Maria Almeida.
The new ward, first and foremost, I will see to the desilting of the creek, because that is causing a lot of, health hazard. No, it is indeed a health hazard. I think we should put ourselves into it, all of us, and take it as a prime. The solution for the ongoing garbage.
Our roads are just lying unattended. Then we have street lights. Street lights, they are not working. Even people have been complaining about, like, they don't have proper light. When they go to their respective homes, they don't get proper lights. Then water problems. These are not the problems which I am saying, but all the people around. I have been talking to so many people, and the people have been telling about all these problems. And one more, the new thing what I want to do is introduction of a new helpline for our ward.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Many cases of chronic renal failures are being reported in Goa. The state also records a high number of cases of kidney and liver transplants.
Doctors at the Apollo Victor Hospital at Madgaon recently performed a successful liver transplant on a 7-year-old boy. The transplant was carried out from father to the son.
Young boy basically had jaundice, like everybody gets it, but probably very few of them go to develop a liver cell failure.
Yeah.
And that's how his jaundice was not getting better. And
Okay.
that's how when he turned up. And when we did his blood parameters,
So who refers you this?
this boy came on Apollo.
Knowing Apollo's reputation, knowing our
So
doctors, and
when we examined him and when we did his blood test, we found that he had liver cell failure.
With a high number of such cases reported in Goa, an awareness is needed about such kind of procedures. The hospital recently completed 12 years of successful liver transplantation in India.
The idea why we are focusing on kidney transplant, the number of patients requiring transplant is a lot in Goa. The number of patients with chronic renal failures are a lot. And we have, as Varun said, 6 patients last month went outside Goa for a kidney transplant. So if we could do it here, it would be much more better than sending the patients outside Goa. As far as liver transplant, I think we need more awareness about conditions requiring liver transplant. Even amongst the medical fraternity, we need awareness.
A reporter from Madgaon, Mayur Naik and Samir Bhatt.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath feels there is a need of self-commitment to preserve our environment. He was speaking at the seminar Care for the Earth and Eco-Sensitive Living held at Madgaon.
Care for the Earth and Eco-Sensitive Living. A seminar was jointly organized by Loyola High School and Loyola Ex-Student Association in collaboration with Fomento Resources. Director of Fomento Resources, Francis Lum Pereira, Father Robert Artia, resource person Ola Hazra, Father Anthony De Silva, teachers, students and others were present for the seminar. Digambar Kamath says that there is a need of self-commitment to not to harm the environment.
So I think each one of us should start introspecting and make a commitment amongst ourselves that we shall not do anything which will harm the environment. It is said that human beings they have greed, and that is why environment problems start with the human beings.
Director of Fomento Resources, Francis Lum Pereira, expressed a need to solve the global ecological problem unitedly.
We all think that we are conscious of the global ecological problems. But what we don't realize is that we need to tackle them unitedly in our thought process. Move beyond the mere rhetoric of debate, seminars, workshops, and reconcile our differing perceptions and try to understand the issue in totality, and then evolve strategies that would span chasms and base selfishness that we have, leading to an enlightened self-interest.
A reporter from Madgaon, Mayur Naik and Samir Bhatt.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.